Captain Psychosis for your safety. Please bring seated keep your hands on and legs for a little off that, man. Okay.
It's okay.
Whales, the beheaded sponge from the whale walk. He may look terrifying, he's a sweetheart. He'll be transporting us Storybook land today. Now our story begins with once upon a time and the big bad wolf on our left-hand side in that cave. Always trying to get those little pigs. I let them come across. When they built their house of hay, sticks, and wolf-proof bricks. As we turn the corner, we'll come across a quaint English village where one golden afternoon, Alice should be white and rounded down, down, down into Wonderland. But they're going to become more curiouser and curiouser from there.
Strings of violets all in
On our right-hand side is London Park, where Peter Pan and the Darling Children first took flight. Thanks to help, to those pixie dust flying to Neverland, where they never have to grow up. Straight ahead is the mysterious city of Agrabah, where she ran into Aladdin, stole Princess Jasmine's heart, and with the help of the genie, now live in the Sultan's palace. Just above us are the enchanting coral arches where Aladdin and Jasmine flew through on a magic ride to a whole new world. Looks like we found the Cave of Wonders. The legend says that the genie in a lamp will grant us 3 wishes. Let's head inside and make a wish. And I hope all your wishes come true, just like Snow White's on our right-hand side. Snow White wishes to be an evil queen, and the wishes granted thanks to the help of the 7 dwarves. Knives of the sword away. And in that castle, way up that hill, Cinderella wished to above her evil stepmother forbade it. Fairy godmother granted her wish, giving the chance to meet Prince Charming. On our left-hand side, it's a giant patchwork quilt from the 1933 Silly Symphony cartoon Lullaby Land. Coming up on our left-hand side is Mr. Toad's stately manor. Unfortunately, Mr. Toad isn't home right now. He's off on another wild ride to nowhere in particular. But keep your eyes frozen to the left-hand side to see the kingdom of Arendelle, where also Planetos icy mountains and her sister Anna brought her back, showing that family can weather even the harshest of snowstorms. And on our right-hand side, we have the Alpine Village with the pedal, which is on a star to bring you hope of your life, making him a real boy. And here we have Ariel, who wished to be a part of our world, giving up her life and the scene for her happy ever after. Now, unfortunately, friends, where our story does come to an end. I want to thank you for joining me in the Storybook, and I hope you had a whale of a time. Now, as you're pushed off, please keep your hands on deck and inside the boat and enjoy the rest of your day at Disneyland.